1000 Pip Builder is a highly rated Forex signal service run by a Forex trader with over 10 years experience. We pride ourselves on running a professional service that is loved by our members. Join the #1 Forex Signals group. Follow the Forex trades of an experienced trader. Real-time Forex signals, this group is for you. Boost you Forex trading in one easy step. Start succeeding at Forex trading now. Stop losing at Forex, follow an experienced trader. 95% of traders fail, start winning now. Last chance, sign up for expert Forex signals. Would you like to succeed at Forex trading? Fast track your success and follow the high-performance Forex signals from 1000 Pip Builder. These Forex signals are rated 5-star on investing.com, so you can follow every signal with confidence. All signals are sent by a professional trader with over 10 years investment experience. This is a unique opportunity to see with your own eyes how a professional Forex trader trades the markets. You can follow every trade by email and SMS text message. 1000 Pip Builder include entry price, stop loss and take profit level, so you can be sure that you can follow exactly what they are doing. The service aims for around 300 to 400 pips per month, and trades have been independently tracked and verified by my FX book. This way you can have complete confidence in the results. The extremely popular Forex signals come highly recommended by my members. So why not sign up now and take the next step towards Forex success? Are you struggling to make a success from Forex trading? Don't worry, help is available. Follow the trades of an experienced Forex trader and get your trading back on track. 1000 Pip Builder Forex will provide you with the details of every trade they take in real time, entry price, take profit and stop loss. Everything you need to follow their trades. The lead trader Bob has over 10 years experience trading the markets, and you can tap into this wealth of knowledge by follow his Forex trades. The service is rated 5-star on investing.com, so you can follow every signal with confidence. The extremely popular Forex signals come highly recommended by my members. So why not sign up now and take the next step towards Forex success? 95% of Forex traders fail, find out how you can be one of the 5% that succeed. 1000 Pip Builder are giving you the opportunity to follow a leading Forex trader with over 10 years experience. Follow every trade taken, understand how Forex trading is really done. You will get all the information needed to revolutionize your trading, entry price, take profit and stop loss of every trade taken. It has never been easier to follow a 5-star rated Forex signal service. Click now for all the information. And please subscribe to my channel for more money-making videos.